Hello, everybody. It's Jen, your movement coach extraordinaire. Today, we are talking about ways to make the burpee feel amazing. Well, maybe burpees don't ever feel amazing, but in the very least, we're talking about ways to make the burpee feel a little bit better. And we're not going to actually do the full burpee, but I'm going to show you some instrumental techniques for the setup that will change everything. The first thing is lifting the skin of the forearm away from the wrist. So take one arm out in front of you. Take your other hand to the skin right near your wrist. And I want you to gently pull that skin up. All right. This is the action that we're going for. You can do it on both sides. I've got a bracelet in the way. Gently pull the skin up. All right. So if I were to come into a squat position, I have my heels up. It's like I'm about to put weight into my hands. As I go to put weight into my hands, I think about pulling the skin of my forearm up, and then I jump back. Keep the skin of the forearm pulling up as I jump forward. Try that a couple times. Skin of the forearm lifts up. So that is technique one. Technique two is a similar situation in your ankle. So with your hands, again, you can take one foot in front of you. You have these two ankle bones here. You're going to take one hand to the inner ankle bone, one hand to the outer ankle bone. And I want you to gently pull those two bones up. Now, as you do that, if you want to be fancy, think about extending the pinky side of that foot really long. So we've got these two ankle bones pulling up as the pinky side of the foot reaches long. All right, how does that work? Well, let's start standing. You're going to think about pulling the two ankle bones up, pinky toes long as you come down. Remember, the skin of the forearms is lifting up. Keep all of this action. The two ankle bones are lifting up, pinky toes reach long, skin of the forearms reach long. Oh my gosh, so many things. Jump back. You can do your push-up. Now you're going to reset the ankle. You might have lost it there. So think about the two ankle bones pulling up, pinky toes reaching long, skin of the forearms reaching long. Jump forward. Keep that action. Keep this action in the ankles as you boom. All right. You can add the push-up in there if you want. So give those two things a try. See how it goes. Drop any thoughts you might have in the comments section. And please check out the accompanying blog if you want to know more about this. As always, if you found that useful, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.